Peace, family. This is EsiK, the homesteader here. This is day 2 of, I guess you could call it demolition, renovation of my kitchen. I am trying my best not to get frustrated with these contractors that's coming in. This is day 2. And I think I explained to you guys, the boss man came in and he made them take up my flooring, which was not a good sight to see. And I think in my previous video I was showing you guys, this was one of my projects that I had did, one of my DIYs, paper bag flooring, which gives the illusion of hard wood. And I'm trying not to be discouraged, but as you can see, my kitchen is in an uproar. I have insulation flying all over the place. The workers is not moving as fast as they can. You know, some contractors is just lazy. And I feel like they could have got more of the flooring up where my appliances is at, and my other refrigerator and my china cabinet. I feel like they could have got all this up, and that could have been one part of the kitchen that was done. So they have 3 more hours to work, but again, one of the contractors is just lazy. So this is what it's looking like. So if any of you guys have to go through a demolition or renovation of your kitchen because of the flood, make sure you paper bag or some kind of way seal up your ice and your water makeup, because I went to get some ice and the insulation went up into my water and my ice maker, and it literally came out in my cup and I didn't realize it. And I did take a picture of it, so I can definitely send that to the insurance people as well, because they should have been a little bit more tidy than they were. I had to remove all my appliances off the counter, as you guys can see. And you know, he began to bust the ceiling open and didn't even cover up, you know, my things on the table, which he should have. And one of the contractors was saying that the dude moves too fast. And you know, sometimes when you're dealing with contractors, they really don't care because it's not their house. So they lollygag a lot. Most of them is overworked. So the boss man over them has to come back to see what they're going to do about the flooring, because it is a little bit challenging to get it all up. So they have to move my appliance rack over here out to get that part, and then the refrigerator, and then the china cabinet. So they're off to lunch, but they could have worked another hour and a half and got that right side of the kitchen done so that we can get ready to work on the flooring. But they were saying that the humidifier, which is this big old giant machine here, has to run, according to the insurance company, has to run for about 3 days to get all the moisture out of the wood, to get the ceiling dried out. And this is what the ceiling is looking like. So I'm probably not going to be able to get back into my kitchen until probably next week, the latest. And then they had to take out my dishwasher as well, get the flooring up from there, and my refrigerator as well. So these are all the machines, the fans that are running. But he said he was going to give me a break with the fans. But like I said, if anybody ever have to go through this where they have to dry out, make sure you get your insurance company to help you with your power bill, because I actually have, I'm thinking 9 machines running, because there are machines running upstairs as well. I'm going to take you guys upstairs to see what's going on in the bathroom upstairs. So I think it's 9 to 10 machines. So, and this could really run your bill up super high. So this is the machine that collects the humidity out of the air, and then the hose is running into the sink to empty out the humidity out of the air. So that's the process. So let me take you guys upstairs so you guys can see what is happening upstairs in my son's bathroom, because the boss man made them take out the vanity, and he also said the tub has to come out now. So let me run you guys upstairs so you guys can see what's happening there. All right, you guys, I hope you guys can hear me. As you can see, we have the fans and the humidifier machine running up here as well. So they had to take the vanity out, and now they're saying they have to take the tub out, and I'm not sure if they're going to get to that today, but I hope they do get to it today. But according to the contractor, they said these fans have to run 2 to 3 days. It's required to dry out the moisture that is in the floor, and also going downstairs into the ceiling area. So this is what it's looking like. So altogether, I have 9 machines running in my house, and this is what I'm hearing all day, all night. All right, family. So again, this is very, very challenging, you guys. I got my son's vanity is sitting out in the hallway. Now the tub is probably going to be in the hallway. My son's is like, they can't believe all of this is happening. But it has to be done. So I really can't complain because it has to be done. But they are definitely, contractors are messy anyway. They just messy. So, you guys hang in there with Essie. Essie gonna get back to her kitchen so I can get back to cooking and soaping and doing all my other crafts that I want to bring to you guys. So yeah, you guys, this is what Essie is dealing with right now. But I'll get through it. It's a tough task, but it has to be done. So this is EsiK the homesteader, and I'm hoping that I can bring some more updates to you guys on more progress. I feel like within 2 days they could have made more progress than they did, but you know, contractors like to take their time and prance around, and it is what it is, you guys. So this is EsiK the homesteader. Thank you all for tuning into my channel, and if you are new, make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And EsiK the homesteader will see you guys on the next video. Peace.